In this video, we're going to learn how to sort a data frame by a column in Pandas. We're just going to start by loading in the Pandas library and some data to work with. This is just going to be the mtcars dataset here. And we're going to learn first just how to sort a data frame by a single column. So to do that, we can use the df.sortValues function. We're going to take our data frame, mtcars, say .sortValues. The first argument here, by, is going to be a list of columns to sort by. We're only using one column in this case, so we'll say by equals mpg. The axis argument specifies whether you want to operate over rows or columns. The values are based on a specified column, but we're sorting things based on each row. So we actually want to set this to 0 to sort and operate over rows. And we want to, in this case, just say ascending equals true so that we can get values in ascending order. And now you can see we have sorted by ascending order of the MPG column because the first entry is the lowest MPG car, and then it goes up from there. Now, we can also sort by multiple columns at the same time if you want to do that. So to do that, we just use the same construction, .sortValues, but when you use the by argument here, you can pass in a list of things to sort by, a list of columns instead of only one column. So in this case, we're going to sort by the cylinder column first, and then the MPG column. So again, we're just going to say axis equals 0 because we're operating over rows. And for ascending, you can actually specify a list of each sort that you're doing, whether you're going to sort it ascending or descending. So for the first, we're going to say ascending equals true. So that means cylinder will sort ascending. But then for the next one, we're going to say false. So that should be descending sorting now. So the MPG part of the sort will have the highest values first. So let's just run this and see that now we have the 4-cylinder cars first, then 6, then 8. And within each of those categories, the best MPG cars are first, and then it goes down from there. Now, all the code used in this video is available in the description below. If you found the video useful, you can drop a like or hit subscribe, and thanks for watching.